Namaste. In the previous episode, Arjun said that he would rather die than kill his loved ones. Even if he was offered the rule of the three worlds in exchange, he would still prefer death. To find out why Arjun is ready to die without a fight, we will now read verses 36 and 37. Nihatya dharta rashtrannah ka pritisya janardana पापमेवाश्रये दस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः तस्मान्नार्हा वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव. Here Arjun tells Bhagwan Shri Krishna that what joy will they get by killing the Kauravas? They will only incur sin by killing these hardcore criminals. A sin that would result in a life of unhappiness and suffering even after death. That's why they were not entitled to kill their own relatives, because after all, how can they be happy after killing their own family members? Arjun was carried away by his emotions, but we must not get carried away by his words. It is surprising that Arjun didn't want to fight the Kauravas despite all the crimes they had committed over the years. Duryodhan had poisoned Bhim and tried to get the Pandavas killed multiple times. Once, the Kauravas had sent the Pandavas to a highly inflammable lake house and tried to burn them alive. The Kauravas had also publicly misbehaved with their wife Draupadi, even deceitfully taken away the Pandavas' wealth and kingdom. In those days, the punishment for committing even one of those crimes was death, and Duryodhan had committed all of them. Yet Arjun said they are not entitled to kill them. Also, if Arjun truly believed that killing is a sin, why did he fight so many wars in the past? Forgetting about the wickedness of the Kauravas, he only had sympathy for his loved ones. While fighting against family is never easy, sometimes it's necessary. Shri Krishna had also killed the wicked Kans, who was his mama or maternal uncle. So Arjun was not the only one to face such a situation. As a Kshatriya, he had to rise to the challenge and put national interest above his personal relations. With this, we have seen that Arjun preferred to die rather than fight because he felt it would be a sin to kill the Kauravas. He failed to recognize how the people would suffer if Duryodhan continued to live and eventually ruled the kingdom. Can Arjun justify that sparing the evil Kauravas is in everyone's best interest? We will see in the next episode. Thank you.